The work that's being undertaken by Durack Civil in partnership with Council is critical, not only in terms of restoring a significant tranche of the road infrastructure that exists across the region, but also in terms of building confidence back in the community around the viability and accessibility of its local road network. But also, and this is one of the things that I have been particularly pleased to see, is Durack's commitment to spending local and engaging local. I've been absolutely blown away by what I've seen as the extent to which Durack has spent back into community, right through from spending money with local butchers, right through to utilising the local accommodation, accessing local gravel supplies, as well as sponsoring two of our shows, the Gander Show this weekend and the Biggin Show in May, where Durack is the major sponsor for both events. And for me, that speaks volumes in terms of their commitment to embracing and investing back in the community, which entirely aligns with the values of our council about putting community first and ensuring that we are making decisions that are in the best interests and to the long-term benefit of our communities. Council is enormously grateful for the financial commitment that has been made by the Commonwealth Government and the Queensland Government through the disaster recovery funding arrangements to enable us to invest back into restoring our local road networks. A region like the North Burnett is highly vulnerable to flooding and other disaster events. That's something that we live with as a council, and which our community lives with on a daily basis. And the work that's being done now through our partnership with Durack Civil is really about putting back and making good damage that occurred back in July 2022. And I know that sounds like a long time ago, but these things do take time to work through their process. But what I've been particularly appreciative of is the gusto with which Durack has gone about their task. I think at one point they had about 13 crews out simultaneously on the ground, working at points right across our network, across the region. The pace at which they have performed in terms of getting this work done has been absolutely phenomenal. I think they're well on track to achieve 30th of June, and all the feedback that I've seen from the work that I have witnessed myself and from what I've seen is in terms of evidence of the commitment that has been given is the investment that is being made by the Commonwealth and state governments in terms of restoring flood damaged assets in this region has been money well spent, and it's really going to deliver a significant dividend for North Burnett residents and the communities here.